Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple. So we have finally reached the mandir. As soon as you enter the temple, the first thing that you guys will see really gives a feeling of Indian Haveli. Everything in this area is so intricately designed. We'll be going towards the Orientation Theatre. पीछे जो है वो है ओल्ड मंदिर, उसके बाद ये मैसिव कंस्ट्रक्शन हुई थी. Akshardham stall. Got myself a lot of things and now I'm really hungry. Snacks and sweet shop as well as a cafe. Everyone and welcome to another day in New York. In today's episode we are visiting a temple which I have been wanting to visit since a very long time. Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple, the second largest Hindu temple in the world. So it's going to be a 1.5 hour journey. It's in Robinville, New Jersey. I'm going along with my family, so I'm really very excited. Also, I want to tell you all that the temple opens at 9 a.m., closes at 7:30 p.m. and the temple is closed on Tuesdays. Now I'll see you once I reach. So here we are at the temple and guys, it looks massive. Let's go inside now and I'll show you around. So guys, as soon as you enter the temple, the first thing that you guys will see is this statue of Neelkant Varni. This statue represents Swami Narayan as a young yogi standing on one leg in deep yogic meditation with prayer beads in his hand. It's a massive 49 feet murti. Inside the temple, you'll also find a pond. अब इसे कहते हैं ब्रह्मा कुंड. And guys, this is just beautiful. It's giving some sort of peace and calm. मतलब इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना यहाँ खड़े होके. And that too in a place like New York. यहाँ आपको ऐसी जगह अगर आपको दिखती है ना, it just feels amazing. Right now I'm in the welcome center, which really gives a feeling of Indian Haveli. It's designed in that way. They've given me a basic map of the place of the temple Akshardham. Now we'll be going towards the Orientation Theatre where they'll be showing us the architecture of Akshardham temple. So let's move towards the Orientation Theatre. orientation, we were welcomed with a video presentation that introduced us to the mandir. The video showcased everything within the mandir, highlighting the immense effort that went into constructing this masterpiece. It detailed how volunteers dedicated millions of human hours to bring it to life. We were also informed about the sacred shrines at the heart of the mandir, where devotees offer their devotion and prayers. The presentation further introduced us to the fifth spiritual successor of Bhagwan Swami Narayan, His Holiness Pramukh Swami Maharaj, who envisioned and inspired the creation of the mandir. Also, we learned about the current spiritual successor, Mahant Swami Maharaj, who continues to inspire the realization of that vision. That was a beautiful orientation of the Akshardham temple. Now we are moving forward. As this says, the journey continues. Let's see, where are we heading now? Guys, everything in this area is so intricately designed, and I mean, it is carved to perfection. Everything just looks amazingly beautiful. फाइनली रीच्ड द मंदिर. सो मेरे पीछे जो है वो है ओल्ड मंदिर, और जो इधर है ये न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन हुई थी. सो ये फर्स्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन थी, और उसके बाद ये मैसिव कंस्ट्रक्शन हुई थी टेम्पल की. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू गो इनसाइड. मैं सोच रही हूँ पहले पुराना वाला जाते हैं, उसके बाद वील गो टुवर्ड्स दैट वन. सो लेट्स गो. Now we are moving from the old temple to the main temple. So we are in a pathway which is called Parikrama. Thank God they had this pathway because it started raining at that time. I was really excited to see the next temple, the main temple of Akshardham. Those of you who don't know, the temple that I have just visited was constructed way before, and whenever initially people used to come and visit Akshardham, they used to go to that one. But now we have the magnificent masterpiece, which I'm really excited to see. Another place that you will find here in the temple is this Akshardham store, where you will find a lot of souvenirs. You will find t-shirts, you will find sweatshirts, bags, caps, and a lot more. And you'll also find some beautiful movies of Sri Nilkant Varni and some books on Swami Maharaj and about Akshardham. So I'm out of the Akshardham store and I got myself a lot of things from there. I got some incense sticks, Ganga Jal, I got a whole lot of things. Now I'm out of that place and I have come to Shrayona. Now Shrayona here is a snacks and sweet shop as well as a cafe. Let's go inside and check it out. guys can come over here and buy those sweets and snacks that I'm sure you guys must be craving since the time you've come to New York. Got myself a whole lot of sweets and snacks from this place, and now I'm really hungry. Let's go to their cafe. This cafe was bustling with people filled with a lively rush, but what stood out was how well organized everything was. So when you enter, the first thing you'll come across are these 8 to 10 screens which are lined up where you could place your order, after which you'd receive a bill. You then head to the designated counters to pick up your food. The menu offered a vast array of options and I ended up ordering quite a bit. Once you've collected your order, it's time to pay for your food and then you can proceed to the seating area. Despite the crowd, all the tables were very clean and everything was maintained with high hygiene standards. The space was well lit with natural lights creating a pleasant ambience. There were plenty of tables available to comfortably accommodate everyone. And now let's talk about the food. Just look at the variety we've ordered. We went for a veg thali, pav bhaji, bhalla papri, vara and sambar and pizza along with some juices and tea. It was a delightful spread with each dish tasting absolutely delicious and freshly prepared. So guys, here comes an end to today's video. I had a wonderful time at Akshardham Temple. और अभी बाहर आते ही मैं देख रही हूँ कि इतनी तेज बारिश हो रही है. It's a wonderful weather out here. Thankfully, we have a car. We are waiting for the car here. और talking about the temple, I had a great time, guys. It's a must visit if you are in New York City. मतलब आप सोचो न्यू यॉर्क में रहते हो, एक आपको हिंदू टेम्पल की प्रॉपर फील आती है यार. You'll find a lot of Indians here. You'll have a great time. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. There are more upcoming New York vlogs for you all. Until next time.